Just loving this green color. So this one is from King of My Kingdom. Wow. Let's see. No way! What? What? No way! Oh my! I've been wanting this thing. Like, I've been telling King of My Kingdom to please buy me this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, finally. Oh. I don't know how to thank God. This birthday. Hey, hey, hey! Bonjour, jumbo, jumbo, wagwan. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to say and I don't know where to start, guys. Okay, so if you're watching me for the first time, what are you waiting for? I mean, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate you guys and I love you. So, guys, I'm so overwhelmed with this birthday presents. And with my birthday, I've been spoiled and pampered. I've been pampered left, right, center, upside down, roundabout. Every side of my life, I've been pampered. Thank you so much to my king for the birthday dinner. Thank you so much to my sisters and my friends for always coming through for me. Thank you so much to my moms, to my two moms who came for my birthday dinner. I love you and I appreciate you, Mama Hope. Mama Jacob, I love you so much and I appreciate you. And guys, today I've been unboxing my birthday gift, so I think we should get on it. I don't know. I'm so excited. So, today okay, now I'll start with this one. This is the one close to me now. Oh, wow. I think I'll start with this one. This one is written My Two, Mama Two. This one is from my friend Fari Amanda. So she came to give me this card when she was going somewhere, like she was going out of town, and then she told me, I'm not there to celebrate with you, but I just have this card. So guys, I've been keeping this card. I told her that I'll open it when I'll be unboxing all of my presents. I just had this faith that I'm going to receive all this gift. I don't know. God had to make it happen. So yeah, says happy birthday. Wow. Mandy, thank you. Guys, imagine I've been keeping this card with the 50 bucks inside it. Who does that? Oh, Amanda, I love you. Thank you so much. So the message reads, it's your day. Sadly, I'm not there to celebrate with you. However, it's a matter of time and we'll be laughing together over a cup of tea. I'll always be grateful to God He made us meet to a friendship that's forever. Oh, thank you. And then the birthday card message. It reads saying, "May your life be filled with happiness, peace, and contentment, and may all your dreams be fulfilled. Happy birthday. Love always, Amanda." Thank you, Mandy. I love you so much. Thank you, Fari Mandy. Thank you, my friend. I know you're far away right now. I can't hug you, but I'm so grateful and I love you. So this one now. This one is from my baby Tendai Tasha. So she said something in this present is something that I've always been wanting from her. So I don't know what it is. I'm so curious to open it. So let's go, guys. No, no way. Ah, today. Don't tell me it's what I'm. No way. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, guys, look what my baby Tendai did for. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. May God bless you, Tendai. Thank you, Tasha. I love you so much, my baby. Thank you so much. This is from Tasha, my baby, and my aunt. Thank you so much, guys. And this one is from two sisters that are my friends. That's Mercy and Mary. So there's a card. There's a beautiful card. It's birthday wishes to a special friend, hoping the happiest things that they are will make this your very best birthday by far. And indeed, it is my first birthday. Thank you, guys. So it is to cherish. Now that it's your birthday, this wish is sent to say, hope it's filled with happiness in every single way. Enjoy your day from Mary and Mercy. Thank you, Mary and Mercy. So, accompanying this card is wow, is a present inside, and there it goes, guys. You know, this God I serve, I just don't know how to thank God, and I just don't know how to thank the people who have gifted me. So, this is the present for Miss and Mary. Thank you so much. And imagine, I've been running out of handbags. God knew I needed a handbag, and He had to send Mercy and Mary. Thank you, guys. Oh, I'm so grateful. Okay, let me check. Maybe I might find some dollars again. Wow. Oh my, there's a dress that matches with the handbag. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And this one is from designer JT, the one who designed my dress for my birthday dinner. I just invited young Andy to come with this. Guys, God has been blessing me this year. So inside this one, there's this African dress. He designed this dress as well. Wow, such a lovely dress. I mean, you can wear it with even the belt. The design is cute. You guys are going to see me wearing it one of the days. All right, I'm going to slay mama, slay mama. There's another one. Wow, there's another one inside another dress. Eish. Ha, I'm not even understanding this designer dresses. But I'll figure it out. Eish. Okay. I can't wait to wear all these dresses. I'm going to be looking good. Thank you, designer JT. Thank you so much. And last but not least, there's this one from my pretty little sisters, Mandy and Ashley. This one is called Ted Baker London. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is so beautiful. And lastly, there goes my present from King of my Kingdom. This is the last present from King of my Kingdom. The first one was taking me out for dinner, like planning a dinner for me, and then a designer dress, then a ring light, this one, and then this one. Ah, now, hey, why can you just buy me a box of biscuits? I know I love biscuits, but someone buy me a whole box of cookies. Thank you so much, Mikey. You know I love cookies a lot. Wow. Okay. What a gift. No way. King of my kingdom, you are the best. Oh no. Ha, you are the best man. King of my kingdom. I love you. You are the best. So this is what is inside. There's milk plus milk pack cream. H, 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 H. Then there's these products. So you had to disguise for me, right? Guys, I don't keep long nails. Eh? So it's a hard enough like for me to be opening these things. So this one is vitamin C essence tower, essence toner. Okay. Why was I even saying tower? This excitement will kill me. Wow. Hey, check out the packaging, guys. I'm going to start glowing. Hey, my skin is going to glow. It's going to sparkle. It's going to speak volumes. Oh, this is the vitamin C soap, deep cleansing and even skin tone, anti-aging, by the way. So it's written whitening. So these products are just written whitening. So when they say whitening, they don't mean like bleaching, right? It's this smells good. The soap. I'm loving the packaging, guys. Dr. Russia. Dr. Russia. So these are called Dr. Russia products, the skincare products. So guys, if you start seeing my skin glowing, just know this is the one that I'm using. Guys, I don't have nails, so it's just hard for me to open these things. It's a hard knock life for me without nails. I don't even know how to keep nails. I end up you can do that. So this one is written vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face serum. Hey, I'm loving the packaging, guys. I'm loving this packaging. Then this one is cleansing milk, vitamin C cleansing milk. Wow, this is the cleansing milk. Dr. Rachel's packaging is just on another level. Hey. Ah, just loving this. Guys, this year I've been pampered left, right, center. My gosh. And by my loved ones, by family, by friends. Just the best birthday. So we said this is the vitamin C eye serum. Hey, check out the packaging. So eye serum is for putting in, right? Hey, guys, I'm going to glow. So this is the last thing we're going to be opening from this Dr. Rachel products. So this one is face cream, vitamin C face cream. Hey, I'm loving the package for this Dr. Rachel products, guys. Yeah, this is good. So I'm done unboxing, guys. So to everyone who came through for my birthday, my sisters, my friends, my family, everyone, who has gifted me. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless you abundantly. May God bless you completely. I don't even know what to say. May God reward you for me. I can never thank you enough, but I know God will thank you for me. And to everyone else, I just want to urge you guys to please keep on your knees, because a lot of things are happening nowadays. So if you're able to celebrate your birthday able-bodied and alive, just thank God. A lot of things are happening, so just thank God. So for now, it's a bye-bye.